Hey guys, it's Paul at Happy Me Golf. I want to give you a quick introduction of how to start tracking your scores on Happy Me Golf. It's really easy to do. What we're going to do is I'll show you a working or a track score already, and then I'll show you how to quickly do it yourself. So I have got this. It's just a test score, but you can see we are tracking the par. We're tracking the score to par, then giving it the little different colours. It'll go like gold if you get an eagle. The blacks are for bogeys. Boo. Fairways in regulation, left, right, miss or hit. Penalty shots. Obviously, you know, anything where you lose a shot because of a penalty. Bunker shots, mistakes. I think this has been interesting to track your mistakes. So I'm thinking like if you three putt, if you chip onto a green, or you pitch onto a green that you should be hitting, you miss the green. If you're in the bunker and you don't get out the bunker in the first shot, you lose a ball, you end up behind a tree, you've got to come out sideways. These are all not shots that you're penalised on your scorecard officially, but if it's cost you a shot, it's cost you it's an extra shot you didn't need to take. Count those mistakes up and you get this number down, your score will come down. Total putts, and then the green in regulation is worked out from there. A few cool things that have been added too is you can tweet your score. So this is a little bit, my thought on this is to be a little bit like Wordle, where you can tweet, you know, the same thing. So that is going to mirror, these top two rows, right? The par, the colour of the round, and then the score, and a link to your score on Happy Me Golf. Now, to do that on Facebook or in an email or in a message to a friend or LinkedIn, you can just click copy. That will copy that same text. And if I go to my Facebook, go to Happy Me Golf and hit paste, that will paste it in and you can fire your score via Facebook with the link. Some reason it's going very slowly. I'm not sure what's happened, Mr. Zuckerberg. But yeah, it will go, your score will then go in. Has it posted? It didn't post, did it? What's the matter with it? It might be because I'm posting the same thing again. But you can see the point. You can copy and paste. So if you didn't want to straight tweet it, you can paste it in there. And that is in your clipboard. So I think that's a cool idea that you can quickly share how you've got on. It says where you've played. It says on what course you've played. So how do you do all this? Let me show you quickly. There's a few multiple ways to get to the same place, which is any decent software program. You'll get your own little way of doing it, but you'll see here, enter golf score. Every time you log in, your homepage is your profile, where you can see your map. You can see if you've put your rankings in, your course rankings. You can see the rounds you've done, and you can enter score. It'll also say it at the bottom. But enter score to tag. So I come here, I type in, I'm going to go to, I'll go to my course because I can remember the pars easier off the top of my head. So it'll filter down to anything within that course. If there's more than one course where you are, select the course. If the date is not today, select the day. Type of round, regular round, practice round. Par, my course is a 69. We're going to say I had an 80. Now, I do have to add something to this as well to make it work so that the holes updates the score, but I've just remembered I haven't done that yet. Stableford, if you're playing Stableford, handicap. I need to maybe change this so that when it says enter score, it might say, are you entering strokes? Are you playing Stableford? Or are you playing both? Whichever way. If you want to put notes, these are sort of notes to self. I'm just going to put this as a test. Any public comments? Great day. Course in good condition. So what this might do in the future is tag to the course and show it on their actual course. The maybe just comments from people. Save it. That puts it in your list. That's this one. And it'll say here, add scorecard. You can delete it or edit it. So anything you want to edit from the round itself, you can go in and edit there. You can delete it. It will ask you if you're sure. Or you can add a score. Now, The problem is at the moment I don't have course data and course information on hole by hole. So you will have to go through and enter the pars for this to work properly. So let me go through and add 1, 2, 3, 4's a par 3, 4, 7's a par 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, what am I saying? 7, par 7, 3, and a 4 to finish. Stroke index, if you want to add that, obviously that'll be part of the handicap and giving you shots back and things like that. Score, so then if you enter your score, so if we put in a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, a 1, a 2, just to give you different different score in different colours. And that is really all you need to enter to update your score. You don't even need to do all that. The green team regulation maybe shouldn't be doing this because we haven't put how many puts. All it's calculated is that all the birdies are greens in regulation, and the pars it's saying aren't. So I do need to, if there aren't any puts, I need to hide this column, this row. There's always something in there. If puts isn't showing, this shouldn't be showing. But that'll show your stats. If you want to go back, edit scorecard, and you want to put your puts in. Oh, you want to put your puts in, for instance, to whatever it might be. Should we put a 4 putt in there? And a 1 to finish. Or even a 0. Let's have a 0 to finish. Update. And now this will be accurate. Your greens in regulation will be accurate based on how many putts and this total score. So obviously if it's a par and you've had 2 putts, you were there in regulation. So that quickly adds up that one. Again, the mistake. So as I say, I would use this to track. I were behind a tree on 1. I didn't get out of a bunker on 2. I lost the ball off the tee on 5. This is a 7 here. Look, I hit it in the water. I shanked it. Whatever it might be. Right. Add on your mistakes. Any bunker shots. Any penalties? What did I say? Hit it in the water. Hit it on water here. Is that everything? Fairways in regulation. I'll come back to that in a sec. So now the penalties are in there. Edit the score. Now, this is going to be left, right. So fairway. So it's a H for hit. In fact, if I type in here, look. If you don't type in, you either put L, R, M, or H. So left of the fairway, right of the fairway, miss. That can be short or long, or whatever it might be, or hit. So you could just put miss or hit. But if you want to specify, you went left. So if you go left on every... See, the par 3s won't let you fill anything in because obviously they don't have fairways. But then left, let's go miss, and let's go right, just to show the icon. Hit, and hit to finish. Update score. Now on the fairways in regulation, we've got the little arrows saying the ones you've hit, the ones you've missed. The par 3s will just be a dash. Hit. It's pretty self-explanatory. And that is your scorecard entered. What was I going to show you? Oh, the thing with this is I like this. This is a good glimpse in a larger screen. But if you want to share it, if you want to take a screenshot and share it to your socials, something like that, then obviously I've made like a square. This is the default version on a smaller screen. On a mobile, it'll show up like this. But if you want to take a little screenshot to share with your mates or whatever, then this is not a great format for sharing, is it? So you can grab that, hit away. With that, you might actually want to change the link on the share of this and post it. That's the theory. Hopefully it makes sense. So entering scores now is very easy. So what did I actually score there? Total 76. So what I was saying earlier, when I save this card, I need to update this score. They did 2 different things at the minute, but they won't be eventually. So what did I shoot? 76. Edit to 76. This one, 76. update that. That'll show up there. And then when you go back to your round list, it will show your 76. I'll probably put some more scores in the overall list. But if you want to go back, edit, tinker, play around, tweet that score now. So now you can tweet that new score. Send it off. Check my score. I scored 76. 4 birdies to finish. Things like that. Hopefully it makes sense. And at any point, if you put something in wrong or you don't like it, then you can just delete and away it goes. It's gone. Try to keep it simple. Try and keep it interesting. And try to make it fun. I want these round lists. I want this information in here. Maybe your golf coach wants to get access to see your stuff. So this note, at the minute it's public. I want to make this private. Things that you need to work on, things that you need to ask your coach, things that you want your coach to tell you. But ultimately, all this data is to try and get you better at golf. But ultimately, I want you to enjoy golf and just going out and playing. You don't have to track all of this stuff. You can just track your score. You don't even have to track your score. You can just say, look, if you go to Happy Me Golf today, which is where you enter those things, those scores, you can just put Ouston. This is my course. I can put, St Andrews, St Andrews. St Andrews Golf. Here we go, St Andrews Golf. Oh, that's the wrong one. St Andrews Golf. Oh, I'm dragging this out now. Oh, it's links. This is St Andrews links, right? This one. Play. Oh, maybe. I thought they were supposed to show all the courses, but they do show. They show here, don't they? Old. Played the old course. Had a great time. No, you don't even have to do that. You can just click save. Played the old course. No score entered. When you go back to your map now, the map of St Andrews. Oh, what's happened? St Andrews. Now you've played St Andrews. It's on your pin. You can see where you've played. If you want to see all the courses that you've played, this loads a little bit slower, but you're looking for somewhere to play in the world where you haven't played recently, you can go here. This will get rid of that cluster. This will show you everywhere you've played, and this will show you everywhere you haven't. So if you're looking for somewhere to play nearby, I've never played Millfield Golf Club. I've never played Gainsborough Golf Club. I've never played Worksop. So hopefully it's all a bit of fun. Lots and lots more to come. But that is how to track scores. Didn't mean to make it such a long video, but it is quite a big update. More to come, in particular, trying to get the course data, pars, tee colours, stroke indexes. The people with the data where I've got the course info from want £5,000 for that. I'm just not. I can't afford to pay it for Happy Me Golf. So I think we'll have to build that ourselves. So eventually when people put their scores in and their card information, I will take if maybe 2 people put the same card in with the same yardages and the same colour tees, then we can build our own tee sheets and things like that. But anyway, that's futures. Dive in, sign up, it's free. Just hit enter your score, away you go. Dead easy. Any feedback, any questions, anything you want me to update, anything you'd like to be added, fire away. I have full ability to customize this to what the golfers need. Thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Paul at Happy Me Golf, out.